Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your TCL 205. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter Microsoft Edge, pardon me. Hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. From here we can start customizing it. You can sign in to turn on sync. I'm gonna skip that. Set up for your data sharing preferences. I'm gonna disagree with it and press to the next step. Last option is to set Microsoft Edge as default browser or simply skip it by pressing on Not Now. Now let me use it as a default browser, just like that. And from here we can start using this browser, open any website, and as you can see it works properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.